Hi Caribbean's family, how are you all doing? So today we are going to learn how to achieve a crisscross neckline. So anytime you're thinking about a crisscross, you're thinking about princess dart. Yes, because there must be a dart involved. Without the dart, you cannot wear it correctly unless your armpit area is going to be flappy. It's going to be bulgy, okay? So that princess dart is going to tighten the armpit area. So now I have my 3 inches neck depth and 3 inches neck width drafted here, which is what I just did. Now I have my full front body. I folded the pattern paper into two to mark my full front body. So now I'm going to indicate the center of the pattern paper. Now this is the center of, because we are using a paper, of course, so the center has already indicated itself, but I still have to mark it. So on the shoulder I went in by ½ inch on one side of the shoulder, then came down by 1.5 inch on the one side of the princess that I came in by 1.5 inch. Okay, for this, from the bust tightening I came in by 1.5 inch. So I'm going to connect the lines like this. I'm going to connect it like so. Okay, after connecting it, the next thing I'm going to do is from the shoulder inwards. Okay, from this shoulder inwards I'll go in by 1 inch and then connect it to this point like this. I'll connect it all the way like this and make sure that place is not sharpened. I'm just trying to curve it. I don't want it to be sharp. So that is just it for that, for the crisscross. So we are just going to be needing one side of the pattern, one side of the pattern paper. That's what we will be needing. So I'm cutting out the excesses. Okay, so if you are thinking of crisscross, this is what you should be thinking about. So I'm going to cut the princess dart, one side of the princess dart, because if you're cutting it out on a main fabric, you are using one side of the pattern. So you're going to close the side dart. So I close the side dart like this, then use my tape to hold it, then mark a straight line like this. Okay, to cover up that area, so that when you are sewing it, one side will not be bigger than the other side. That is the reason why I did. So this is what we are going to be needing, and these ones are just useless now. So here is what we are going to be using for the pattern of the front bodies. For the back bodies, this is the back body. Okay, so we are going to, from the shoulder I'm going to go in by ½ inch, just like I did on the front body shoulder, ½ inch, and go in by 1 inch because of the design that I want to have at the back. From the armhole I'm going to go in by 2 inches, then connect the line on a straight line like so. So now I'm going to connect my new armhole and also connect my neck width, my new neck width, and that is all for the back. The next thing is to start cutting it out, all the excesses. So we are not going to make use of the old armhole, we are going to make the use of this new armhole, the new neck width. So I'm going to cut out the zip as well. I slanted the zip to avoid being bulgy after sewing. I'm still going to work on the zip. Okay, you're going to see what I'm going to do. Work on the zip again. I don't want to have bulgy back. Okay, so I removed the back dart, then close it up with my tape. Please, if you like what I'm doing here, please don't forget to share to your friends to join us. Okay, so please guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Cut and Sew with Chikadibia. Okay, help my ministry to grow. Watch my videos on YouTube, Bikono. So now for the zipper, to eliminate more zipper bulge after the slant, I'm going to go up by 1 inch. Okay, then slant it a little bit. Okay, so it's going to help the zip to lay flat at the back. So this is the back bodies for the crisscross, and this is the front bodice. So I'm trying to measure the two shoulders together, and as you can see, they are equal. So the next video is going to be the sewing tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.